See this thing that just happened? This is what I expect to happen to you someday. No. My bad. Very, very soon. If you don't back off.
Arama, so that is the reason why you drag me to come to this place. Eh? Arama, let me tell you something. I don't tolerate enough of your nonsense in this parish. Enough is enough. No, just me pray. No, just use me pray. What's your problem? Look, let me tell you. Dog don't bite you before. And I'm not even sure. If I bite you, you go there like saying an oracle bite
My friend, will you shut up?
Oh, just because by the time I bite you, you don't even see any mark for your body. Your skin go just the pepper, you go there shout, oh yo, abasio, oh yo, and zinamo, oh. Now wait till you go there shout.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Onyara. Try it. See this battle line that you have drawn. Adama, go and ask of me. I never lose.
Come. Look, let me tell you something. My name is Sweetie, but I know sweet for your side at all. If I bite you, you don't go like me. What kind of nonsense is this now?
How far now?
How far waiting?
See, I say, I can't remind you. Say that tonight, me, you don't fail me. You understand? Make you not just go, tell me, say, hey, I beg, I forget, no forget, you understand? I just say, make I come update you. Say that tonight. You understand?
Hey, Che. You really say I get bad news for you.
Bad news, what? What is the bad news?
My flower don't come. And if they rush like that, and it would take like 2 weeks.
You, na me won't use calabash sense for Abi. No be only your flower. Now your life, you are dead. Now you go rush come, now you idiot. So my flower don't come. Na me won't use sense, Abi. Na me won't use calabash sense take. Okay, you know what? Your flower come, Abi, no problem. Make I just go straight, go tell Lolo. Say you dey knock you go with your period. Leave this out.
Are this serious? Warata right, no they right.
You dey serious, Abi? Fine. No be say make just go tell Lolo say you dey knock you go with your period.
It's not really rude like this now. I mean, just whine your ape.
No be only one A. No, one B.
I will come see you tonight.
You won't use calabash sense, Abi. Let me see the period. Hey, your flower.
I beg you.
Look at they come, look at they do this thing. No, they whine me. You understand? Go. Don't forget to.
No, they no.
What exactly did that girl do to the princess that is making her torture her like that? Because I already feel pity for her.
Hey! See boldness. Is that boldness for me? Hey God! That ghost was too much. I was afraid though. See, that girl was ready to tear her princess into two like in front of her father. I will not lie.
And she even challenged her in front of Igwe. She ran to stay behind her father. Hey.
That is exactly what infuriated Igwe the most.
Exactly.
And now that girl is going to rot in that dark. So I pity her because that place is very dark.
But I just pray that the gods will help her. The gods will help her. And because I like her and I like her boldness.
Wait. Look at this daydreamer. Come. What's making you feel like you're so special in this palace? Every time you be carrying your shoulder as if your father owns the kingdom.
I'm not your class, you fool.
What? Fool? Adana? Me? Fool?
Hey. Palace cleaner like you. Is it class 1 or class 2? Hey. You know what? At least I explore this palace more than you dollar brains.
You must be mad. You are very stupid.
You are upset.
Look at this one, no.
Hey! It's okay, eh? It's okay. Now you should leave Adama alone, eh? See, it's not by force to associate yourself with friends here. It's not by force.
I beg. See, if you try that nonsense talk with me, you find yourself on the floor. You must be stupid.
Hey! Calm down.
This girl is very mad.
Okay.
Just try me. Try me
okay.
now.
Every time
Leave
it's okay.
Please,
Every time.
This girl is very stupid.
leave her. It's not by force to be friends with people around here. Just leave her with her lifestyle.
Educate them, darling. You know, sometimes I wonder what you're doing with this loafers in this palace.
If I slap you, I will say I'm doing bad. You supporting now. Because the next time it will happen, I will deal with you and not how.
Are you not supposed to be standing behind with us? You are supporting this stupid girl.
Why are you people facing me?
Am I facing you?
Am I
If not for the fact that we are still in this palace, if I gone outside this gate, I would have beaten you through black because of that stupid sister of yours.
I don't know what else to do. Eh? The worst is that I don't know the kingdom that girl came from. But she's a princess, for sure. We have gone around now asking questions, and no one has seen my daughter. I don't really know.
Papa, this is very confusing.
Yes, my son, it's very confusing. But I don't know.
Papa, are you sure she's responsible for this?
Yes, I am very sure. It's that princess. They had a quarrel in my shop this morning. I apologized to the girl and I thought she has left everything like that. I never know she would come back for my daughter.
Papa, the king of Oru Kingdom,
Yes.
the Igwe there, he has a daughter, right?
Yes. The king of Oru has a daughter, but the daughter is based abroad. I'm sure of that.
She's based abroad.
Yes. She's not in this country as we speak.
Are you sure she's not the same person?
It cannot be, I'm sure. The king of Oru's daughter is based abroad. She's not in this country. I'm sure of what
Papa,
I'm saying.
Let me find out. Yes.
Okay.
Wait for me, I'll be back.
Okay.
Or I'll call you. Huh?
Okay.
I need to find out. Huh?
It's okay. How can someone do this? How can this princess do this to my daughter? Huh? Hey! God save my daughter. Oh.
Your Highness, you are welcome. My names are Amabasi Terobongurabong, aka City, that is Inem, aka Greatest Palace Chief, aka Duck Meat Investor, aka Aquarium Finance. That is to tell you that I am connected to aka Kalabama Bornwell. I sweet person for this water. I salute you and welcome you with my office in my hand. I am the latest and the undying greatest chef of this palace, and no one can take that away from me. Once I join these two things together, I create magic in the kitchen. Thank you, Your Highness. You are welcome.
My Lolo, my prince. I am the cleaner of this amazing, wonderful palace. And I can clean your heart if it's dirty. I do everything possible to make sure that my rooms are clean and sparkling. My names are Adama, Adadiorama, Adaije Jemba, Achalugo Adama. I am specialized in cleaning the prince's bedroom. And believe me, it will be worth a while. Once again, you're welcome, my Lolo and Prince Charming.
I like my prince.
Okay, brother. Enough of that nonsense.
See, my prince, you don't know me too well. See, Fat, let me introduce myself. I'm telling you. See, my name is Eche Sona, aka the secret holder. Eyes of the palace. I see everything both in and out. I am full of one of Oro Kingdom. That's real.
That is the clown.
See my place. Any information you want in this life, anyone at all, come to me. I will give it to you, my prince. Fact, see, my prince. See. I mean, I will see this gate. I will take it. My prince, I will see everything. You see this man, as I be the general overseer when they see everything both in the dark and in the light.
I think we have done enough of the introduction. Let's go in because we can't keep it.
My introduction. See, I will see everything. Anything when they happen for this kingdom, I will see. I am the, my prince. My prince, I will see everything. Shut up! My prince, let me be. I don't have force or what?
The prince is alright! My prince!
Come on, my sis!
The prince is alright!
We go to my prince, any information you want. All these people here, they do. Nobody here. I start my own now. You go to come. I'm going to get information here. Anyone want? No. Anyone want to be? I'm going to get it.
Nine.
Yes.
How do you think this will work out? I'm sure you're beginning to have the feelings that the Igwe will breach the agreement.
Let's be watching.
What are we watching, Nine? What are we watching? Eh? Our son is almost 30. That's what the agreement says.
Oh, yes.
So it's time you start telling the Igwe about the agreement before he does something else.
But I'm doing something.
I'll be calling him to get prepared. He has to come home to do the needful.
Woman, look, why not allow me? Let me plan. Just give me the chance to plan and think.
Now plan your own while I plan my own. I am planning my own because agreement is agreement. Plan your own while I plan my own. You have to make sure he keeps to his own side of the agreement. Agreement is agreement.
I don't want to tell you.
This love is genuine. They are in deep love. No matter what you do, you can't separate them at all, at all. Let me lovers, leave them alone. Let me lovers, they don't love themselves.
It's me. Who is me? Not that name. What is me? It's me. Ah, no. I tell you now, I think you should make you come tomorrow. Make you come tomorrow. Eh? Lolo and the prince just come back from London now. And I never get time to go meet you.
Sir, no, sir, I'm here for something else. I'm not here for the job, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
okay. What happened?
Sir, I'm looking for my girlfriend. Her name is Olu Ebube. She had a little issue with the princess. I don't know. I think they
Chero, wait. Chero. Oh, now your girlfriend. Be that girl where they just threw out, come out from boot this afternoon. Now your girlfriend.
Excuse me. She was brought out of the trunk.
Wait though, make I know. Now your girlfriend. Car. If that girl be a girlfriend, that girl is an idiot. And I tell you, and the princess talk say her father that one kind poor wretched vulcanizer.
But sir, what did she do? I don't know. Her father is not a poor wretched vulcanizer. But she's my girlfriend. We're in love. I love her so much.
Also, forget that girl is an idiot. You love her so much?
Yes, sir.
Are you an idiot?
No, sir.
Anybody that is in love with that girl is an idiot. I'm telling you.
Sir, sir, please, I'm sorry, sir. How can I see her? She's the love of my life. As I speak to you now, I'm going crazy.
The guy there, prison, you know. They can't put inside prison straight. Why? Inside prison. That they don't try now. Sir, how she going to challenge our princess? She won't die.
She was challenging the princess.
Come, I'm they open eye. They say hi. She's the 10th princess, so she won't die. Who is she?
That's very rude of her.
I say she's an idiot.
Sir, but please, I know she's an idiot, but how can I see her, sir?
Wait, no, this thing I tell her, say she dey prison. You know hear her?
No, I heard it, but how is there any way I can see her? Please, she's the love of my life. I
Calm down now. Wait, make I think.
Okay, sir.
You know what,
sir?
Go. Just go home. Relax. You understand? Before this sun now, before you fall, the night go down to there. Wow, she go come out. You go see your woman. Let me talk.
Sir, if I heard you clearly, you said I should go.
Go home. I
should relax.
Relax. Now we dey here.
Before nightfall she'll be.
I'm telling you. Let me talk.
Sir, but you're just a common gate man, a palace gate man. You don't have such powers.
That one I insult you.
Sir?
You call me common. What kind of rubbish is that? You just insulted me.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean it, sir.
Forget it. See, they say I wear this thing where I wear now. Wear yellow, wear black. You know me say if I cover this thing now, you go see the real me. Let me talk now. Just go. You know what? Do. Just go do as I said. Okay. You understand? And then prepare tomorrow. You will start work here.
Eh?
Let me talk.
So why should I believe you? Why should I believe all this is you're telling me?
You don't get fit? Yeah?
Sir, but you're just a gate man.
Are you an idiot?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
If you're not an idiot, you believe me. Like I tell you, the Bible say, if you are willing and obedient, you shall eat the good of the land. But if you're not willing, I'm telling you, are you not willing?
I'm willing.
If you're willing, you shall eat the good of the land.
Okay, sir.
You understand? So relax. Nothing they happen. Now we dey here.
No problem, sir.
Just they go. You understand? Relax. Tomorrow, you will start work here. But before this, your woman go come out. Let me talk. And as I talk, so it be. Bye. Come down. Let me talk. I tell you now. You understand? They go now.
Exclusive get man.
Wait.
Never enter the palace.
Is this guy joking?
Now you the run thing.
He's just a common palace gate man. Why should I believe him? He said before nightfall, she'll be released. And I should prepare to start work. No, I'll wait here. I'll just wait.
I don't like him. No, I don't like his face. Can't you see? Can't you see the way he looks, his face? There is this sinister looks in his face. I don't like him.
He looks scary.
Yeah, that's the word.
That's not good.
Father, you should have allowed me to see him first.
There is no need. He is so rough. Rough, my liking. I don't like him. Such a person with criminal records. Do you know he have had 4 accidents?
Wow.
Yes, in a row.
Wow. Really?
Oh, yes. I'm telling you the truth. Such a person cannot be my daughter's driver. Yes. He is a gangster. Oh, yes. Relax. I've told you to get me an aged man, a senior citizen, more preferably a retiree, somebody with pace, somebody who wouldn't be overspeeding, somebody that will gently drive you, and you will enjoy that.
Father, I do not need an aged man. I need someone who can speed. I need a young and a vibrant man. I mean, you should have allowed me to see the man before condemning him.
Don't worry yourself. I've asked you to bring him to the palace. You will like him. You will enjoy his driving skills.
You see, I understand what Dad is saying. You're a princess, so you need an advanced man, tested and trusted driver, not someone that will always be on his speed. Do you get it? No.
My dear, I understand what your father is saying, okay? He's only concerned about your safety.
Safety, and that's the key word, safety.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, as we speak, she's in Oru Kingdom. She's in the palace, sir. Exactly, sir. Sir, there's no need to involve the police so that it doesn't turn to something more serious. The gate man has given me all the information I need, sir. Sir, don't worry, I can handle it. I trust him, sir. There's no need to bother yourself. You need to relax, sir. Sir, I'll come back to you once I get more updates. Yes, sir. Sir, there's no need to worry. Just allow me to handle things. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, don't worry. I'll call you once I get more information, sir. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Only you, now you, exclusive get man, you get man with different. Who know you, never enter the palace. Now you they run things, this not they run you. Anybody wait talk, na idiot. It be who is in charge? Echena. Here come get man, Echena. Echena che way off ma. Echena che way off ma. Who is in charge? Echena. Here come get man, Echena. Echena che way off ma. Echena che way off ma. Get man where they live like that. Trouble of Echena is too much.
It is time to change this phone. Let me call this man first. See where.
Oh, well, this situation is things do not necessarily appear the way. Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. Hello? Who is this? Oh, please be audible. I can't hear you. Oh? Hold on. Hey, Chagini. Eh? My parcel? Oh. Okay. I'm coming out. Yes, I'm coming out to sign it.
Go. I said, come out. Come out. Come out, let us talk. Or some sign a personal signing.
Just.
That's not Echena.
Look at this man, oh. Look at this girl. Ha, hey. Some personal signing. Ha,
What is it, Esh? What is it? Can't you see about my wife? What is it I can't wait? It's fine first. What about the fine? I want to know this fine. You know tomorrow morning. That's number one. Then the second one, see that girl with the for I want that girl to be this Nama currently. As we talk about name. Crazy. Maybe, have you done what? You are commanding me. Are you out of your mind? How dare you?
It's alright. No problem. Let me just go and tell the law. Let me just go and tell law what happened this morning with evidence and facts.
How will you come and get back here? Foolish boy. Do you think I am swayed by your threats? Blackmailing me? Who are you? Oh, they don't tell you that as Igwe, I have right to marry as many women as possible. Now listen, go and tell the owner of this file that he is a gold digger. Oh yes, I can see from his face that he is not qualified to work here.
No problem now.
Listen, as for that girl, do your worst.
Fine. Let me just go tell Lolo what I saw. That I saw Odoako Bongo riding on top of Igwe and riding and ruling the kingdom with pleasure. Let me just...
Will you come back here? Fool. Now listen. If you know me too well, all these things you are saying cannot move me. Now, take this file. Give it to that boy. As for that girl, do your worst.
See, I know you are a kind-hearted man. You are a good man. You understand? Yeah? The problem is that I have already promised the owner of this file to resume work first thing tomorrow morning. You understand? Eh? Youths need work. Yeah, no problem. I know you are fast accepted. I know you. Let me just say thank you in advance because I know you have done it. Oh, and as for the girl,
exclusive
please,
get man with different. Who know you never enter the palace. Now you
please the girl.
This not the right.
And then,
anybody wait on
so no, I'll talk about that one.
What have I gotten myself into? What is all this?
Here come get man.
I must take this boy out of this palace before he ruins my marriage. Nonsense.
No, my friend. You go and carry. I am telling you the truth. If you go in with a Calabar girl, the maiden, or even the cook, you will come back and say thank you to me. You see these girls? They can give you good blood.
Longative. They are so robust.
Hey! You don't understand. Oh, it's only me that can tell you what I'm saying.
My friend, well, I am not interested. You see, I am a traditional ruler. I am the custodian of my people's culture. So I cannot condescend, just like a commoner, to mess around with little girls. No. And besides, I love my wife.
You see, he really don't understand where I'm coming from. I am not saying he must do it or he should do it. But what I'm saying is, he can put a trial. He can try it. But let me go straight. My friend, try it. Try it and see what I am telling you. You see, there's this girl. She's a Calabar girl. She's my maid in Lagos. You see this girl? Do you know her name? Her name is Kaite. But do you know what I call this girl? Do you know what I call her? Joy giver. Hey! You know, my wife don't even know why I always send her abroad. She go shopping, got this, got that. She thinks it's all about love. By the time she will come back, I must have enjoyed myself to the fullest with Ekaide. But this is a wonderful girl. She can take me to heavens and bring me back. Is he laughing? Oh.
No. Don't mind my friend. He is mouth man. He can just sit at home and fabricate something, polish it, embellish it, and give it a meaning, and it will become a reality. He doesn't do such things. Don't mind him. He cannot.
No, what he's saying, that's the way he assumes it. I am telling him exactly what makes me happy. This girl in question, when she handles me, I start remembering my younger age. You see, women, my wife for an instance, my own wife. Come, let us do the thing. She will start giving me excuses. I am sick. I am weak. Can't you see I'm coming from the market? I am this. I am that. She has totally denied me my conjugal rights. But since Ekaite came in, happiness has become my name. Yes, she satisfies me more than my wife. She gives me happiness more than my wife. In fact, I don't like my home anymore. She is now my home. But see, I am not joking. I'm telling you my own experience. She's the only happiness I have. For my wife, she can go to hell. I don't give it up. Of course.
But you see, it's a taboo for our Igwe to engage himself in such act. It's not possible. And if he even does that, definitely so many things will go wrong in our community. But I must tell you, if he must even do it, he has to unless publicly announce that that woman in question, I am having her as a second wife. It's only on that basis it can go out.
Oh no, listen. What you said is tradition. It is really the truth. But I am honestly happy that I am not a king. I am a commoner, like he said. So I want to enjoy myself to the fullest. So I don't want to be a king.
Your case is different.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Please enjoy your drink.
Well done. By the time you try what I'm saying, you will call me Jimmy Bakwe. Come on, next thing.
You said you are from Calabar.
Yes, Igwe. I'm from Akwa Ibom, to be precise, Igwe. But Calabar and Akwa Ibom, we are brother and sister, all young. So we are one.
Akwa Ibom, are you okay?
Yes, my king.
That's all right.
Igwe, your coffee is ready, sir.
Right, bring it here.
Igwe, your coffee is ready. Igwe, is there any other thing you would love me to do for you?
Not now. When I need something, I'll send for you.
Alright, Igwe, no problem.
I think this is what my doctor recommended for me. You see, my wife is not around, so I would want you to be intimate with me. I don't know. No, relax.
Igwe, I come to carry the thing where I go.
I know, just keep it. Listen. My wife is not around. I'm a traditional ruler. I am permitted by law. So don't bother yourself about it. Just, you satisfy me. No, come on. I know how you feel. I'll make sure you lack nothing. No, relax your mind. Come on. Just relax your mind, I tell you. No, relax your mind. You're such a sweet, beautiful girl. Relax your mind. Come on. No. Just don't worry. Relax. Relax yourself. Huh? Yeah. Most of these our governors are greedy. Yes, because there is this 5% allocation from the federation account that is supposed to be due to Ndigwe, but they are eating it. They are not giving it to us.
Why?
The other day, my friend Igwe Kanga raised it before our council meeting with the governor. The governor threatened to remove his staff of office. Can you imagine that?
Just imagine. And what are you doing about that?
We are suffering. Mbakwe, you have opened my eyes. I have tested. Now I can testify.
Wait a minute.
Have you done it? You asked if I've done it. In fact, she sleeps in my chambers now. Do you mean it? This girl is fire. The last time she was on top of me. Could you imagine, Mbakwe? He held me. I was crying like a baby.
I told you were pretending. I said, why is Igwe doing like this? I'm not a man again.
Mbakwe, I pretended because my Onowu was there. You know my Onowu is a Jew man.
Pure Jew man.
See, when this girl was on top of me, she was vibrating. In fact, the girl is gifted. She was vibrating. In fact, she has this time. Atapam. And my body was doing it.
Even what thing was killing about?
Let that thing be, sweetie. Let me die on top of sweetie. In fact, I am not ready to resurrect. Not even resurrection. I am not even ready to reincarnate.
This girl, let us drink.
Mbakwe, you got it wrong this time. As for this boy Echena, I must stay with him. Look, I must kill him and get him out of the way before he ruins my marriage.
If I born one day I'll get put if I born
Go and release that silly girl, the prisoner.
Yes, Your Highness.
Father.
Oh, yes, darling.
Father, please. Allow me to torture that dog myself. Please.
No. I've already instructed the guards to do that. You know, they are professionals. They know how to torture people. So don't bother yourself.
No, Father, please. I want to do it myself. Father, I'm the one she insulted. She humiliated me in the presence of everybody. Father, she insulted me in public. She almost fought with me. Father, please. Allow me to torture this girl. I have already set aside pepper spray and pepper that I want to use and torture her, pour all over her body and private parts. Father, please just allow me. Please, I know how best to do this. Please.
It's all right. If you insist, I will oblige you. But it will not be today. Let it be tomorrow.
Father, please, I want it today. My blood is boiling. I'm eager to deal with her. Please.
That girl might be violent. I wouldn't want her to hurt you. So, why not? There is this procedure, professionals, the way they do it. They will torture her, allow her to go through torture so that she will be weakened. By the time you come, you deal with her the way you like.
Right?
Yes. That's the best way, yes.
Okay, if you say so.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry for keeping you waiting. I want to collect the file.
It's okay. What file is that? Let me see.
A driver. He'll be resuming work first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh, really? For our daughter?
Oh, yes, our daughter.
It's okay. My husband, I want us to discuss about our son Kachi's coronation.
Oh, yes, go ahead.
You know, according to our tradition, when a prince gets to the age of 35, he's coronated as the crown prince of the kingdom.
You're absolutely correct, yeah.
While his father is still alive.
Yeah, you are right.
And our son is around that age bracket now. And I think he's fully ready too.
That's correct.
I think he needs a wife too.
You are still correct, but can't all this wait? You see, my head is busting off. I have lots on my head now. Can't it wait till tomorrow we talk about it?
Really?
Yes.
Hope you're okay.
Yeah. And
now my lover, now my case, leave her for me. She no get money, leave her for me. She is classless, now my choice, she no fine at all, leave her for me. I know she's from ghetto, now my choice, let me love us, let me love us, they don't love themselves because of money. No be because of let me love us, they love me.
Hey! So it's true. You're here.
Yes.
What are you doing here?
It's not a stupid girl. She was insulting my father and I gave it to her.
You gave it to her. I was told you were put inside the trunk.
Get it. You better see me when I go out here now. When I go now, before princess could come out. Plus, I don't do my own. You understand? Make go now.
Thank you.
Tomorrow.
Okay, alright. Thank you very much.
Fine girl.
What? Your stubbornness. Your stubbornness. You're too stubborn.
I was not stubborn.
What are you doing here?
Did you know him? I said she insulted my father. I had to beat her.
They had to put you inside cell.
I'm not afraid of them.
You're not afraid of them. Your stubbornness. Your stubbornness.
She ordered her guards to throw me inside her boot.
She threw you into a trunk of a car?
Yes, so. And took me to their palace.
Hey.
Then when we got there, her father asked them to throw me inside the cell. Papa, if you see that place, very dark, scary. You won't even see anybody, no lights. You won't even hear anybody's voice.
Hi.
Only me there.
Hi. So that's what they did to you. My own daughter. My own daughter. Oh, ha.
People are so heartless. You see that king? He's very wicked. He's an evil man. Not just that, oh. He told them to go and pack all the rats and throw inside there with me. I'm telling you. I don't even want to talk about it. It was a horrible experience. Some people don't have hearts. Some people do not have. But wait though. Have fun. You said the gate man assured you that I will come out before nightfall. And that happened without stress. Eh? Because those people promised me that I will rot in that cell.
I'm equally as confused as you are. In fact, he also told me that I should get ready. I'll start work at the palace tomorrow. That he's going to call me.
Maybe he's related to the Igwe.
He's related to the Igwe and he's a gate man.
It's possible.
Papa. No, I don't think it's possible. Papa, take for an instance, I'm an Igwe right now. I'm very wealthy. And I asked my relation to be my gate man. Is that possible?
What do you want me to say, my son? I'm just saying. Ebube, you have to control your anger. Your temper is very hot. You have to control it. I keep telling you, control your temper.
Papa, forget that thing. How did you expect me to keep quiet when my fellow girl insulted it before me? Papa, I will beat her blue black. Forget princess or no princess. Oh. One-on-one, I will chop that girl. I'll chop her meat.
Nee. Your father is very, very right. You need to watch it before you get into bigger trouble. Anyways, this is a story for another day.
You need this job. You have to go to that palace and work if they give it to you. Don't say you will not accept because of what they did to me. No. If they call you for the job, go for it. Alright?
No, you don't understand. I just feel somehow about working there. And that's not the only job in the world. Other jobs will come. Besides, I don't like people treating others like animals. It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't matter. You're just going there to face your job. Mind your business. And if a better job comes out, you grab it. But for now, you need this one. You've been jobless for a long time. And remember, you promised me sewing machine. No? We need this job.
Well, that's okay. If that's what you want, I'll go there and work. But I just feel somehow, if the princess can treat you like that, what would the king do to me? He'll kill me.
You're a man. Be strong. You can face anything. And you know, no job comes without challenges. Just see this one as one of it. And like I said, if a better one comes out, you grab it. But for this one, if they call, you'll accept it.
It's okay. Come on, see me off.
Alright, my love. Well, how did you know I was in that palace?
Long story. So we started looking for you. Your father now told me about you.
They be lovers, yo. They be lovers, yo. They don't love themselves, yo. Because because of money. No be because of them lovers, they love each other. They don't love themselves, because of money. They love the sweet me, they be lovers, sweet me, sweet they be lovers, darling, they don't love themselves.
My prince, sorry I came very late.
What's this?
Ta-da!
What's this? I didn't order for anything.
My prince, you do not need to order for anything before you taste our traditional meal. In fact, you see this chicken now? It is very, very nutritious and it is energy filled. By the time you chop them, it will make your body day alright. Just try it and you'll love it.
My prince, let me arrange your bed. You know, let me arrange your bed. You need to sleep. You know you're stressed out.
Don't worry yourself. I'm comfortable. I'm okay.
You have heard what the prince say. He say it's very, very fun. I don't know why you are still standing red like a standing fan. So, my prince, do you mind if I give you...
But he just said he does not want your rubbish. Can you take this filthy thing? It's smelling all over the place. Can you take it outside?
I don't know. What is your problem? He's going to eat. In fact, he's going to like it. It is by fire, by force. Because this meal is very, very nutritional. It is good for the immune. It can cure the bacteria, staphylococcus, gonorrhea, all the yama.
Hey, what's that? You think I have infection?
No. God forbid I was saying kind of young, but I can never say such, my prince. All I talk be say, this can help in the future bacteria. Yes, future bacteria. My prince, if you do not mind, let me save you this sweet delicacy. I know you are going to love it. My prince, just try it. You will love it now. Just try.
Hey.
My prince, try this thing now. You like Amavi?
I think it's nice.
I've been talking you go rough. Now let me give you with sweet wine.
Give me more.
Some more, yeah. You want more? I talk of you go rough. In fact, let me rock the office.
Why are you locking the door?
My prince, actually, you need to taste between the cook and the meal which one is more delicious.
imagine this local village Oduaki or whatever she calls herself. By the time I'm done with her.
Hey, come here.
I'm sorry, my princess.
You're sorry. Why did you stand there soliloquizing, talking to yourself like a mad woman?
I'm sorry.
Have you lost it?
I'm sorry, my friend.
Sorry for yourself. My friend, get out of my sight. Leave me at once if I break your head, stupid thing. That is food, disturbing my peace.
Yes. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And you don't need to go back to your village to get anything. As my driver, I am going to provide you with anything that you need.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome. And you have a beautiful voice.
Thank you, my princess.
It's okay. So let's go put your driving skills to a test. And you must know one thing. I love speed. Fast. And furious. Come on, let's go.